This next trick I'm going to be showing you is called the one-handed star, and it's another one of those picture tricks, and it's pretty cool when someone asks you to do something like rock the baby or walk the dog. After you do those tricks, to show them this trick, because it's a lot more complex than those two and it takes a little bit of time to learn, but it is definitely a cool trick to show off. The one-handed star looks like this. So, as you can see, it's got a few movements to it that might be a little complicated at first. What I suggest you do is stop the yo-yo from sleeping at the bottom of the string. And what you do is you take your hand facing palm out. You're going to bring your throw hand out away from your body, put the string on top of your thumb, basically draping it over your thumb. You're going to take the ring finger next, bring it down to the string, and wrap it around. You'll always want the string to be on the outside of your fingers, otherwise the trick won't look right. So the string is going to come and drape down the outside of your thumb. Your ring finger is going to come and wrap around the string, leaving it draped over the top of your finger. Your index finger is going to come down behind the string, and you're going to drape the string over the top of your index finger. You're going to follow it with your pinky, wrapping it around. The string will be over the top of your pinky. From here you end with your middle finger. Your middle finger just goes underneath that string, comes up, and it'll leave you with a star. To get out, just face your hand down and sort of loosen up your fingers. The yo-yo will fall right off. So again, this is what it looks like. You go thumb, draping the string over your thumb. Ring finger comes down, loops around the string, making sure to leave the string on top of your ring finger. Bring your index finger back behind the string, drape the string on top of your index finger. Take your pinky, wrap it around the string. You want the string to be on top, just like what you did with your ring finger. Bring your middle finger down underneath the string, just draping it on top, and that'll leave you with the one-handed star. From there, just drop it. You'll be able to catch the yo-yo and show off a few more tricks. So, that was the one-handed star. I will see you guys in the next video.